On behalf of ASIC, today we'll learn about how auto cancellation is done through admin panel by the seller. So I have logged into the admin panel of Omnibus. I'll head over to orders and fulfillment within orders section. This will bring me to the order search page. Here you can see that we have order in various statuses. One is pending confirmation, confirmed, packed, shipped and delivered. Now let's see how we can cancel a pending confirmation order. These are usually cash on delivery orders that are placed, that are in pending confirmation state. And if you go under the actions drop down here, and at the bottom of this actions you can see we have cancel order. If you click on it, this will cancel the order and mark the status of the order as cancelled. Mind you that there won't be any sort of inventory changes behind the scenes. So no inventory was deducted and no inventory was increased, like the inventory across the warehouse remains same for this particular SKU in case of cancellation on pending confirmation status. So I'll go ahead and cancel order. Once I do that, you can see it was cancelled, and at the bottom in the timeline also you can see it has been cancelled and it didn't go through any of these statuses. So this was about cancellation for a pending confirmation order. Now if I go back to my order search page, you can see this order has been cancelled. Now let's have a look at confirmed orders and the cancellation for them. So I'll click on this and go to the order info page. As you can see, this order was confirmed. Now I'll go under the actions drop down, and if you see at the bottom again there's a cancel order action. Now when the order is in confirmed state, all the product SKUs in the order details section, as you can see, we have a t-shirt here of quantity 2. As soon as it came into a confirmed state, the inventory was decreased by 2 for this particular product. Upon cancellation, what will happen is that this quantity of 2 should get restored from wherever the inventory was stored for this particular SKU of this product. If you have multiple products here, it will go ahead and restock the inventory of all the SKUs in this particular order upon cancellation. So I'll go under actions again and click on cancel. As soon as I click on cancel, it will give me a confirmation box. I'll go ahead and click on cancel order. Now when this got cancelled, the inventory for this particular product would have been restocked. So that was for order that has been confirmed. It has been cancelled. Now if you have a look at the order number 6 here, it is currently in packed state. Let's go over. So as this order is in packed state, you can see it has quantity 2 for this kurti with trousers dupatta. This means that the quantity 2 has been already deducted from the inventory of this particular SKU product. So upon cancellation, I should again restock the inventory. So if I go under actions, I can either go to the packing screen directly, or I can click on cancel order action item, and you can see it says please unpack and cancel. You need to unpack and cancel the packed unpacked items. So once I click on this, it will take me to the packing info screen. Here I need to unpack my product. So as you can see, I have 2 packed quantity for this particular packing order, which has status packed. If you have multiple of them here, you need to go ahead and go to each one which are packed and unpack the order. So I'll go ahead and click on unpack. Once I do that, you can see the status changed to unpacked, And now I get the option to cancel all items here. If you don't want to cancel all of them, you can cancel each line item here. So for example, if I had multiple product SKUs here, I could cancel that particular item. Here, as you can see, I can click on cancel all items because I want to cancel the whole order for this particular packing order, and there's only one packing order. If I had multiple, I need to do unpack and cancel all items for all the packing order for this particular order. So I'll go ahead and click on cancel all items. Once I do that, you can see the status has been cancelled. Now if I go to the order info page, you can see the status has been cancelled after being packed, and the quantity for this product SKU would have been restocked. So this was for a packed item. Now for a shipped item, we do not have any cancellation button because as it is in transit, we can't really cancel it midway. So once it's been delivered, then you can go to returns screen and file a return here. So I will go ahead and select the packing box that it was sent in, which is the small cuboid box, and I'll pack the entire order. Once I have packed it, I'll click on ship return here. Once I do that, you can go to the integrated. So inside integrated logistics, for reverse pickup, we have two possible reverse pickups by courier listed here. If you are satisfied with this, you can go ahead and click on ship. Otherwise, you will need to manually book a reverse pickup and enter the details for this. Once you have done that, you could go ahead and you can click on save. As you can see, we have a return shipping. Once we fill up the details and we mark it as okay, it has been return shipped. Now once we get the returned item from the customer, you can go ahead and under actions for this particular order, click on confirm return items once you have verified the contents of the product that were returned to you. Once you do that, it will give you a small pop-up box here. Here you can see the product code, the name, the particular SKU, size, and the return quantity. Now you can here go ahead and enter the quantity in good condition, in bad condition, and need to be refurbished. So if it suits any of the conditions here, you can go ahead and fill up that particular quantity here. I would say that the returned product was in good condition. I'll increase the quantity by 1 because as I got the item, and I'll click on confirm return items. Once I do this, the inventory for this will be restocked, and you can see here at the bottom, you can see the products returned in the package and returned in good quantity 1 and total returned quantity is 1. So this was how you can cancel the orders in various stages and file a return in shipped or delivered status. Thank you.